Okay, we're going to be doing LeetCode 82, remove duplicates from sorted list 2. So you're given the head of a sorted linked list and you're supposed to delete all nodes that have duplicate numbers, right? In part 1, you're supposed to just delete one of the duplicate numbers, right? But this, you're supposed to delete all occurrences. If a number has a duplicate, you're supposed to delete all occurrences of it. So that means simply when you find such a number, you iterate through until you find the last number, which is a duplicate, and then you just skip all of them, right? So let's write it here. So make sure you've done part 1 before you do this. So we'll have a sentinel, which is equal to list node at -1, right? And then sentinel.next, we'll set it to head. And then our previous, we'll set it to the sentinel. And then we'll have a current pointer pointing to the head to traverse the linked list. So our current is not none. We check if the current value and the next value are the same, i.e. we found a duplicate. Right? So if current, we have to first check if current.next is not none either, right? So if current.next and current.val is equal to current.next.val, then we found a duplicate. Next step is to iterate through until the last duplicate, right? So while current.next exists and current.val is equal to current.next.val, right? Then we move our current forward. So current is equal to current.next. Once we get out of here, our current is at the last duplicate position. So we move our previous.next past this node, right? So previous.next is equal to current.next. Then we move our current forward to the next, because our previous is supposed to be one position behind, right? So current is equal to previous.next, right? And that's how we eliminate all the duplicates. Else, either car.next was none, or the next val was not a duplicate. So what do? We simply move our current forward. We move our previous and our current forward. So how do we do that? Our previous, since we're skipping, right? Our previous is equal to current, and then our current is equal to current.next, right? So when we come out of here, we simply return. So at the end of here, previous will be at the last node, which is not none, and then current will be at none. So we return sentinel.next, right? And voila, it works. Another thing that you could have done is you get the duplicate value, you call it dup_val is equal to current.val, right? And then you push your current to the next pointer, so current is equal to current.next, right? And then here you say, well, current.next and a duplicate val, right? This dup_val. Then you just keep on moving your pointer forward, right? And once you come here, you push your previous one past the current node. So this also works, right? So yeah, so that is the solution to this. This will take O of n time with constant space, right? So yeah, that's the solution, and thank you, bye.